The enemy don't have to come in our community and kill us. We're busy doing that ourselves. Here's my Mexican family. We are at odds with each other. It's not that we are naturally enemies, but the enemy has made us enemies of each other. That's the mischief making that creates the shedding of blood. We are natural allies. We are natural brothers. But the enemy says to black people, you know, the Mexicans are the largest minority in America now. You used to be that. And the blacks say, see these Mexicans picking our jobs. What job? If they tell you to go out there in that field and pick some peas, you say, look, you know, you ain't picking no peas, brother. You got what the Scientologists call an engram. Your mind is so messed up over picking anything. After you pick cotton all that time for the enemy, you don't want to see a field no more. In fact, you hate farming. Don't even know how food grows. I don't want to know. Just take me to the supermarket. And he makes that food look so good. This is your family. The Mexicans are your family. The Latin-speaking people are your family. The white people moved in among them too. Yeah, Mexicans. They're Mexicans. You have Spanish names. You're not Spanish. When did you become Spain? You're the Spanish conqueror.
My ancient knowledge, the form regarding Eniigwe definitely exists. It is the sense regarding connection that accompanies practicing loving kindness and doing justice. It isn't an afterlife. It is right here and now. It is being part regarding making the world a better place by establishing the standards set at the covenant regarding God with Igbo, seal with the blood regarding circumcision